go out. And I'm gonna use this one. Oops. And I'm gonna go to my house. Where should I put my house in? I guess upstairs. Oh, it's already sold, but who's there? I'm not good at this. So I'm gonna put my house right there. Next to the church. And that's what should be big house. Oh. I kinda need to see the new house. Is this it? Is that it? What is this? What is this? Oh. And what is this? Oh, it's super exciting. This like a house, like of I think this is a hospital, like you know. Oh, this is very dangerous. And this one is oh, this is the like you can operate it. Oh, this is the grid. Oh. No, it's not.
Yummy.
Oh.